Very good morning to all of you. Welcome to Narayana online classes. Today I am going to discuss the 10th class chemistry assignment. Assignment number 11. Topic is chemical bonding, in which the first one is define sigma bond. What is the sigma bond? Sigma bond means the overlapping of the atomic orbitals along with internuclear axis, then the resultant bond is called as a sigma bond. So here sigma bond means the overlapping of atomic orbitals, overlapping of atomic orbitals along with internuclear axis. Internuclear axis is called sigma bond. Okay, here what is the internuclear axis? Internuclear axis means the imaginary line which joins the nucleus of the two bonded atoms is called as a imaginary line. Next, coming to second one. How many unpaired electrons are present in chlorine? Chlorine, atomic number 17. Electronic configuration 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s2, 3p5. This is the electronic configuration of the chlorine. If you write the orbital structure, in 1s orbital 2 electrons are present. In 2s orbital 2 electrons are present. In 2p orbital 6 electrons are present. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Again in 3s orbital 2 electrons are present. In 3p orbital 5 electrons are present. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. What they asked? How many unpaired electrons present in chlorine? Here in all orbitals the electrons are paired. The here unpaired electron which is present in 3p z orbital. So here the number of unpaired electrons are 1. So 1 unpaired electron present in chlorine. Next, according to valence bond theory, how covalent bond is formed? What are the types? According to VB theory. VB theory proposed by Pauling and Slater. What is the covalent bond according to valence bond theory? According to valence bond theory, the covalent bond is formed by overlapping of atomic orbitals. Covalent bond is formed by overlapping of the atomic orbitals. The overlapping of atomic orbitals must contain unpaired electron. Must contain unpaired electron. This is about the formation of the covalent bond according to VB theory. And here, what are the types? Here two types. One is the sigma bond, second one is the pi bond. The overlapping of the orbitals along with internuclear axis, it can form the sigma bond. The overlapping of the orbitals sideways, then the resultant bond is called as a pi bond. So here we can write the answer. What is the covalent bond according to VB theory? Covalent bond is formed by covalent bond is formed by overlapping of atomic orbitals. The overlapping atomic orbitals must contain unpaired electron. Unpaired electron with opposite spin. Here the bonds are two types. How it is? Orbitals overlapping of the atomic orbitals along with internuclear axis resultant bond is called sigma bond. Overlapping of atomic orbitals sideways, that means sideways overlapping of atomic orbitals then resultant bond is called pi bond. Next, the bond angle in the water molecule is 104 degrees 31 minutes instead of 109 degrees 28 minutes discussed. Generally, the bond angle of the water molecule 104 degrees 31 minutes. Why it is not a 109 degrees 28 minutes? If we observe the structure of the water molecule, then we can understand the answer. Here, water chemical formula H2O. That means water containing the one oxygen atom, two hydrogen atoms. If we observe the structure of the water molecule, here this is the structure of the water molecule. Oxygen containing how many valence electrons? 6 valency electrons. Here we observe oxygen 1s2, 2s2, 2p4. Total 6 valency electrons. Hydrogen contain 1 valency electron. Here this is structure of the water molecule in which around the oxygen here total 4 electron pairs are present. Around the oxygen atom 4 electron pairs are present, in which 2 are lone pair electrons, that means 2 are non-bonding pair of electrons, 2 are paired electrons, bonded electrons. This one is the paired electron, this one is the paired electron. Here one pair electron, here one more pair electrons are there. These two are non-bonded, that means they are not participate in the bonding. Here the repulsions between the lone pair electrons, lone pair and bond pair electrons, and bond pair electrons, due to these repulsions the bond angle from 109 degrees 28 minutes to decreases 104 degrees 31 minutes. 104 degrees 31 minutes. The reason we can say the repulsions between the lone pair, bond pair, and bond pair. This is the reason. That's why the water molecule, in the water molecule, the bond angle is the 104 degrees 31 minutes, and shape is the V shape or angular shape or a bent structure. Next, explain valence bond theory. VB theory was proposed by Pauling and Slater. What is the valence bond theory? According to valence bond theory, the covalent bond is formed by overlapping of the atomic orbitals. Next, the overlapping of the atomic orbitals must contain unpaired electron with opposite spin. Already it was explained in previous only. Now I will explain with one example. For example, formation of the hydrogen. The hydrogen, how it is formed? The hydrogen molecule is formed by the combination of the two hydrogen atoms. How they are combined? For example, this is the one hydrogen atom. This is the another hydrogen atom. Hydrogen electronic configuration 1s1. That means which is containing the one electron. So this hydrogen contain one electron. This hydrogen containing one electron. According to VB theory, the overlapping of the atomic orbitals must contain unpaired electron with opposite spin. One is the clockwise direction, second one is the clockwise direction, anti-clockwise direction. Then we can observe here this is the formation of the hydrogen molecule according to valence bond theory. Here the extent of the overlapping takes place in atomic orbitals. Extent of the overlapping increases in atomic orbitals. The stability of the bond also increases. I hope you all of you understand very well. Thank you to everyone.